Today, I'm going to show you how to set unity gain on your Klark Teknik KT-76. Welcome to the Rhythm Studio, where we're talking percussion, music production, and music technology. I'm Warren Henry. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and the alert bell so that you can be notified when we release new videos. That said, let's get into it. By definition, unity gain in layman's terms is the point where the input signal equals the output signal. In order to get the best experience using any 1176, it is important for you to know exactly where unity gain is. So let's get right into it. Step 1. With all of the meter buttons out, make sure your input and output knobs are set to infinity. Step 2. Send a 1 kHz tone out of your Behringer CT100 to the input of your KT-76. Mine is connected to a patch bay. Step 3. Press the 4:1 ratio button and the +4 meter button. Step 4. Slowly raise the input to 36 and the output to 18. Notice we are virtually at unity gain. Slight adjustments will get us there. Be very delicate with this maneuver. Step 5. Toggling between the gain reduction meter and the +4 meter should demonstrate no change in the signal. Congratulations, you have just set your KT-76 to unity gain. In order to get the best experience using the Klark Teknik KT-76, you must know where to start. Based on this video, you can trust that unity gain is 36 on the input and 18 on the output. However, it is best you verify unity gain on your unit using the steps that I have outlined in this video. In the comments below, share your experiences using the Klark Teknik KT-76, the Warm Audio WA76, or the WA1176 LN. Like this video by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe and don't forget to say hello to the family for me.